These are the installation steps for a G2000 fertigation system. This is a video manual. The first step is to unpack the system to lay out all the component and mount the motor on the pump. Mount the motor on the pump with junction box on left side. Next, add oil to pump. Fill the pump with oil through window opening. Fill oil level to midway on the sight window on the left side of the pump. About 1.5 quarts. Install the discharge, suction fittings. Install the discharge and suction fittings. They both have union connections with white Teflon seals. Make sure the white Teflon seals are in place. The fittings can swivel left or right to point in any direction. Install the suction fitting as well, and tighten both well. Connect the motor wires. Connect the red to red, black to black wire, green to green wire, and replace the cover. Run the suction hose and install the manifold and Y strainers to the tanks. Use hose clamps on all connections. Install the 2 injection valves and the irrigation line at the injection ports, or weld the threaded fittings that are included. Use blue thread sealer and secure the hose with hose clamps. Install the flow sensor. Weld the threaded coupling on the irrigation line and install the flow sensor in set, direction and the depth. Install the flow sensor wires. Install the flow sensor cable into the controller and connect the wire, red to number 7, black to number 8 and shield to G. You may want to use the pump station flow sensor. If you will use the pump station flow sensor, make sure it is compatible. Connect it to the isolated input terminals. Red plus to number 9 and black to number 10. Now you are ready to run the fertigation system. You are now ready to use the system. Fill the tanks and bleed the pump heads by opening the bleed valves. You may not need to run the pump if the tanks are full and level above the pumps. Now you are ready to use the fertigation system. Bleed the heads using the bleed valves to prime the heads. Steps to bleed the lines. Turn the controller on, set it to manual and set the stroke to 100%. Now open the bleed valve. Once liquid flows out, close the valve and let the discharge pressurize. You will feel the hose get hard and it will pulse with each pump stroke. When it pulses, you are ready to run. Prime each head. Then set the stroke setting and lock the knob. Mark your tank level and you are ready to run the fertilizer injection system.